Emerald City Comic Con takes place in early March in Seattle. This is a very large and wonderful convention, but today I'm going to take you to a very special portion of ECCC. Hey Sun Svei Sun, I'm Daisy Victoria, and let's go to the Tavern. I participated this year at Emerald City Comic Con in the Tavern because the medieval society that I am a part of, the Society for Creative Anachronism, was doing a demo booth. We were right next to the Washington Midsummer Renaissance Festival, who also was doing a demo booth there, and it was really cool to be next to them. So this is just really the start of this whole tavern room. So I'm gonna show you guys all the shots that I filmed in here so you can kind of have a look at what it's like. I personally really love this room and this setup because this is just a big room where you can go and there's a nice aesthetic. It's obviously kind of like medieval Renaissance fair-esque, and it's a little bit of a lower light level and lower noise level, so if you're a little overstimulated by the convention, this is a nice place to just kind of take it a bit easier. There's a lot of stuff going on in the tavern, so there are musicians. The SCA and the Ren Fair have musicians and performers doing demos there. The SCA had fighting demos, which you'll see some of later. And there were also multiple musicians and performers who performed on the main stage inside the tavern. Also in the tavern, you could do gaming and you could sit down and hang out. They had food, all kinds of stuff. There's interactive things that you can do in there too. And ultimately, I think it was a super cool place to kind of have as my home base for Emerald City Comic Con. And I think a cool place for anyone to come and just hang out and enjoy the space. So with that said, I will continue to walk you guys around the tavern and let you enjoy the ambiance. Now, due to YouTube's copyright policy, I do have to replace the music from the background with YouTube approved music from the audio library, but rest assured you're getting a similar ambiance anyway. right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this hangout time in the tavern with me and all these lovely people who made it wonderful. If you're interested in medieval and Renaissance and fantasy things, I do have lots more costuming on my channel, so please feel free to check it out. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for joining me at the tavern as well. You can find me and all of my costuming on social media. I'm Daisy Victoria everywhere. My website is daisyvictoria.com, and a special thank you to my patrons over on Patreon. I hope you all have an absolutely magical day, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye!